Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Dream Glow Kit. So, first of all, look at this packaging. So beautiful. So if you would like to see a demo of me trying out some of these beautiful new highlighters and some swatches and a little bit of information, just keep watching. So let's go ahead and get started. So as I said, this is the new Dream Glow Kit by ABH. Comes with this really holographic, beautiful packaging. Even the outer slip cover comes with the same type of design as well. Both things have exactly the same information on the back. It is cruelty free, says it has 12-month span, vegan. It says it is 4.5 grams, 0.16 ounces each highlighter. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig into her. So there is no mirror in this palette, which I really don't mind. It, says Dream Glow Kit with the ABH emblem right there, and these are the 6 beautiful highlighters. As I said before, they are 0.16 ounces each. You get Wish, Unicorn, Magic, Ethereal, there we go, yeah. Sunshine, and Regal. I also heard that this formula is supposed to be very similar to the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette, meaning less glittery and just more like a shine. You know what I mean? So we'll be testing that out as well. As you can tell, I'm not glowing, so I'm going to go ahead and dive into this and put some highlighter on my face. So the colors that are definitely like calling my name are Wish, so pretty, like a champagne with purple reflex in it, and then Sunshine, which appears to be a gold but just really pretty, and then Magic. Guys, I don't know, I'm just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my highlighting brush and I'm gonna use Wish. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so definitely same formula as the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. No glitter fell off on my face. There's a tiny bit of, fallout in the palette, but this is not chunky. This is like smooth. Oh my god, do you see that? It's like oil. Beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. So pretty, guys. Go ahead and do above my eyebrow. I like to do those type of areas. I don't know why, I just do. Lipstick on, so I'm not going to put any on my Cupid's bow, but I am going to go ahead and do the nose. Go ahead and take a little bit of Magic, this more like silver white one. Oh, and that's beautiful. So pretty. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful, guys. As always, I'll be putting in like a video, a little short still video of these swatched on my fingers and on my arms, just because my lighting is not correct. So here we have the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette and the new Dream palette, and they said that these were the same formulas, and I'm going to have to go ahead and agree, guys. It came off very silky and no glitter, in my opinion. And I love this palette. No glitter fallout. It's not chunky. It's beautiful. This gives the same exact effect. So I would say they're definitely the same formulas. And I also wanted to do a little comparison of the Aurora and the Moonchild palette, just to show you guys that these are different colors. Moonchild, just to show you that you do get, different colors. So people were saying that this new palette was very comparable to the Aurora. So then right here we have the Dream palette, and then we have the Moonchild palette. Totally different colors you're getting, guys. So this is a completely new palette with completely new colors. I'll even go ahead and show the Glow Kit. In comparison, this was not a fan favorite. This is very chunky, very glittery. If you do not like glitter, stay away from this highlighting palette. But as you can see, same layout, different formulas. This is the formula to go. This is not, and also different colors as well. This beauty did retail for $45. I ordered it on the ABH site as soon as it launched, and I seen that it was launching on Trendmood on Instagram, and I got it in about 3 days. Overall, guys, I think if you're interested in a new highlighting palette, this is the way to go. We've got some very wearable colors. They're all wearable in my opinion, but they're just a little different, beautiful, silky. I'm so in love with this palette, and if you're not a sucker for packaging, this will lure you right in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments, please don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, I would love to have you here with me. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!